Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So today I'm at Wong's Complex, 36 East Tradeways, Portmore Town Centre, and I was invited out here by Own Your Own Electrical Limited. They are a lighting store. They offer unique and luxury lighting, and we're about to head inside their store and check out what they have to offer for you and for me and for everyone watching this video. Alright, so Akeem out. So we're about to step inside. Let me buzz the door. There goes their Instagram. Own Your Own Electrical, JA. So of course, in here is nice, clean and pristine. So let me take my shoes off. And let's start over this side and work our way down. So these right here are pendant lights. So this one is not on right now, but if it was, you would have the lights running on this side and then lights in here. And this particular light, let me show you the price. And just as I'm showing you the prices, they're actually having a sale from May 20th to May 23rd. So it's a Labor Day sale that they're having 10 to 20% off all items in store. And this is a beautiful light. This particular light comes in 2 wattages, 120 watts and 100 watts. So the price for the 120 watts is 151,000 and the price for the 100 watt is 136,000. So moving to this light right here, back up so you can see exactly what you're working with. Another pendant light, beautiful. This one is a 48 watt light and it's for 48,000. I wonder. You have another one over here that's similar to the one I was showing you right here, but it's just that this one has the strip light running to the bottom, whereas it over here is at the top, and it's the same $43,000 for this one, and it is a 30 watt light. So moving along, we have this fan light right here, and this is a standing light, floor light, has like a tripod base, has a fan front, and then there are 2, 4, 6 sockets for you to put light bulbs in. There goes me. And if you're watching this right now, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe for more content like this from Moments by Boothe. Let me know if you like this style of content, if I should go to more stores that deal with home decor and showcase what they have to offer. All right. So this one is a beautiful, this looks like the Galaxy to me. They have this one in 80 watts and 40 watts. The 80 watt light is for 56,000 and the 40 watt light is for 45,000. All right, so backing up and going to this side, and we have some table lights right here. So this one is really nice. This one right here is for 24,000. This one right here is for 36,000. And this is a floor lamp. Very nice. This is a really nice floor light as well. And this one is just $20,000. And of course, with the Labor Day sale, this light you can get for anywhere between 10 to 20% off. Moving along to another pendant light that is right here, reminiscent of this one over here, but a bit smaller. And this one they have in 2 wattages, 68 watt for 53,000 and 80 watt for 62,000. And you have an antique light right here. This is giving deck vibes, oceanic vibes. So it's an antique chandelier. So if you have like nice hardwood in your house, I do believe that this light would go really nice with that. You have your modern chandelier right here. Very nice, very nice. And this one is 70,600. Moving along to some of these different styles of pendant lights. This one right here is pretty nice, if I do say so myself. And this is for 22,000. We have some table lights right here. Really nice, 7,000. That's in white. This is in black, 7,000 again. We have some more table lights right here, 18,000. And this is a similar table light, so it's for the same 18,000. We have a pendant light that is in the fan style as well, very unique. I really like. Really like. We have another table light right here in a more antique style. Similar one down below. We have another table light right here, 24,000. We have this very unique ceiling light. I don't think you've ever seen anything like this before. If you've seen something like this before, comment down below and let me know. And we have this one right here, which is very special. Now this in your home would definitely be a statement piece. Comment down below and let me know if you think so. And then you have this really nice pendant light. I really like this one. It's giving Egyptian vibes. And of course, I am an Egyptian person myself. I like the Egyptian pyramids and so on and so forth. I find them very unique, and just imagine or try to imagine how they made those things back in those primitive times. So we have some more lights right here. These are wall lights. These can be used inside your house and outside your house. These ones are of a higher wattage. These are 12 watts and these are 8 watts. These more give me a set the mood type vibe. That's the ambiance that I'm feeling for these lights. Another one of the table lights right here. And just so you guys know, Own Your Own Electrical Limited is a full service business. So you can buy the lights from them and they'll have their electrician come and install them for you. They're looking into having these lights set up with the mood adjusters, so you can dial down the light if you want or dial it up if you want. They're also going into outdoor solar lighting as well, so you can look out for that from them. These are some more of the antique lights. Another antique light right here, and that's pretty much it for what they have in store right now. They have a few more items that are not packed out, but when you come to the store you can ask to see the full suite of lighting that is available here at Own Your Own Electrical Limited, and they won't hesitate to break out all the stocks and all the stops for you guys when you visit. So yeah, that has been it for my little tour or my little takeover of Own Your Own Electrical Limited. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of the lighting options that they have here. They actually have a few more containers of lights coming in next week as well. Hopefully they come in so you guys can catch them in that Labor Day sale, and you can get your up to 20% off, 10 to 20% off whatsoever lights that you come here and try to purchase. All right, I almost forgot to leave you guys with my quote that I leave in every single video, and the quote is, the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm trying to do by becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022, and you, yes you, can help me to achieve that. And all you have to do is to hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, and leave this video a thumbs up. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.